Hey guys, so today I got this from the $2 shop, and I got this twisty slime. And now I'm gonna see how it looks like. It's purple. The cost the cost is for $2. And yeah. So actually I got this because I wanted the purple one, because purple's my favorite and Advent is coming up. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. I'm gonna try to find. Oh, here it is right now. Here it is. So what is it again? I got Twisty Slime. The cost is for $2, and I love purple because it's Advent. It's coming up, and I got slime. I just love poking it. So I'm gonna pour it out. Ew. This is what it looks like. And then it looks really flappy though. That's cool. It's so jiggly. Oh, I want to have people do the bubble together. Darn it. Like, it's not really slime. It's like, what's it called? Jiggly slime. So I bought this one today because I don't know how to make a jiggly slime. And yeah. So I'm gonna upload this today. And yeah. Oh, ew, wait. Jiggly slime. Oh, shoot. Mamma mia. Mamacita. What does mamacita mean in... It's so flappy. I just love poking it. Can I show you a trick? So do you know this trolley thing? See, since it said twisty slime, I wonder if it can actually twist. It can, sort of. Actually, you're gonna twist it and poke it. No. It might be a short video, so what about slime? My sister said, what is about slime? Slime is just slime. But really, it's just lovable. Oh. It almost went on the ground. It's really jiggly, but let's see if I get all of the things in by closing my eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think that's all the slime. And I did it. No, it's gonna drip. There's a. Oh. Actually, I'm gonna get some of the slime. Actually, I want this much. So this is. So I got this much, and this is how much I have left. Darn it. So it's gonna actually twist it. Jingle bells, jingle. So I'm gonna put my slime in here. Oh, I have to take some slime out. Ugh, okay. Let's put it in there. And here is your slime. Oh! So subscribe to me, and I hope you like this video. So yeah. And as you can see, of course, it's raining. Let me show you. It's raining. It's raining. I live in Auckland. So, yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so if you follow me, then I'll follow you back. But you have to subscribe if you have subscribed, whatever. You have to subscribe to me. I make the funnest video of all, and I will subscribe to you. I promise. Ooh, the Illuminati. Have you ever played like those random letters, and there's like a board, and there's just like a triangle thing and a circle, and then you look in there like, what is that? The yoga board, the Illuminati? I have no idea. It's kind of like my pants. It's kind of like my pants. Like this. But you know, it's white and has a circle. Okay. My friend loves playing First Line. This is my first time playing with slime because I love slime. Like, I never knew what slime was, but I know now. This is so weird. And this is not a vlogging day. I don't make vlogs, but if I can, then I'll do it. Oh, wait. So, if you want a bloopers, you know, like a bloopers, yeah. No. And go subscribe to Dizzy Brown and Dizzy Brown, Dizzy Brown. Because she is my friend at school. She's 10 years old. I was going to say that she was 9. Sorry, Dizzy Brown. But that's her YouTube name. Her real name is Jessica Bell. And she is, let me subscribe to her. So I just love playing with these slimes. I'm so addicted to slime. But really, sometimes I am addicted to slime, but sorry YouTubers, I'm not addicted to YouTube. You might be really sure, like who would a person would not be addicted to things, but to YouTube, but will not, like, okay. I mean, I do like YouTube, but not that much. So I'm kind of. Let's see if it. I'm not sure enough, I promise. And I have this little container. It's really easy. Oh no. So I'm gonna close the video and I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Bye guys.